guys, welcome to my channel again. As you can see, we have come for fishing in our pond. These are like, this is a big grass carp and another fish, small one. Grass carp is around 2 kilos or 2.5. And let me show you my farm, my pond. That's my father and another uncle. They are fishing over there. ये पॉन्ड काफ़ी बड़ा है. यहाँ हम पहले बचपन में आया करते थे, तब छोटा था, बाद में उसको हमने खोद के और भी लंबा कर दिया. इट्स अ वेरी बिग पॉन्ड. और ये हमारा बस्ती है, जहाँ मतलब हमारा पुराना घर रहा करता था आगे, और उसके पीछे जंगल, where like we have lots of trees, different kind of fruits and other important trees. And the back side we have 2 ponds, one over here, another a little near to this, just adjacent to this pond. Yeah, so stay tuned. We will make more videos where like I can show you what we are doing in our village.